The muddy riverbank lies quiet under the blistering sun, the stillness betraying the danger lurking just below the surface. A herd of buffalo cautiously approaches the water, desperate for a drink. Without warning, a massive shape explodes from the murky depths. A saltwater crocodile, jaws snapping with bone-crushing force. Within seconds, the buffalo is dragged underwater in a violent death roll. What makes this prehistoric predator the ultimate master of ambush? Let's uncover the chilling tactics and unmatched strengths of the saltwater crocodile, the apex predator of the rivers and coasts. Hunting strategies. Saltwater crocodiles are masters of stealth, using their powerful tails and webbed feet to glide silently through water, almost undetectable to their prey. They rely on ambush as their primary hunting method, lying in wait for hours, even days at the water's edge. Once a target comes within striking range, the crocodile launches itself with lightning speed, often catching its prey off guard. When the moment strikes, their powerful jaws clamp down with a force of up to 3,700 pounds per square inch, one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom. They use a signature move known as the death roll to disorient and incapacitate prey. By spinning their entire body rapidly, they tear apart larger animals with incredible efficiency, leaving no chance of escape. Surprisingly, saltwater crocodiles occasionally engage in opportunistic group behavior when targeting large prey. Multiple crocodiles may converge at a feeding opportunity, each exploiting the chaos created by the others. Although not intentional teamwork, this instinct-driven behavior ensures that each predator can secure its share of the kill. Their adaptability to capitalize on such situations only reinforces their dominance as apex predators. Physical strengths. Saltwater crocodiles, or Crocodilus porosus, are the largest reptiles on Earth, growing up to 23 feet long and weighing as much as 2,200 pounds. Their immense size alone is enough to intimidate any creature that dares venture near their territory. Combined with their muscular build, they possess unparalleled power, enabling them to subdue prey many times their size. Their bite force is unmatched in the animal kingdom, measuring up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. This crushing power allows them to pierce even the toughest hides, crack bones, and tear flesh effortlessly. Their sharp conical teeth are designed to grip prey without slipping, ensuring a lethal hold during the struggle. Their sheer jaw strength makes them a terrifying adversary both in and out of the water. Despite their massive size, saltwater crocodiles are surprisingly agile. On land, they can burst into speeds of up to 18 miles per hour over short distances, and in water, their tails propel them at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. This combination of raw power and unexpected agility makes them one of the deadliest predators in both aquatic and terrestrial environments. Social structure. Saltwater crocodiles are primarily solitary animals, with each individual fiercely defending its territory. Male crocodiles, in particular, establish large territories spanning up to 10 square miles, which they patrol regularly to keep competitors at bay. The boundaries are marked using scent glands and bellowing calls, creating a clear warning to rivals. During the breeding season, their territorial behavior becomes even more aggressive. Dominant males engage in ferocious battles, often involving violent clashes where they lunge at each other with snapping jaws. These contests determine access to mates and resources, ensuring that only the strongest individuals can pass on their genes. Despite their fierce nature, these encounters rarely result in fatalities, as crocodiles prioritize survival above all else. Although typically solitary, saltwater crocodiles are known to tolerate one another in areas with abundant prey. When food is plentiful, such as during a mass migration of fish or a large carcass wash-up, they may feed in proximity without significant conflict. This rare tolerance highlights their ability to adapt their behavior to the circumstances of their environment. Habitat and range. Saltwater crocodiles inhabit a vast range from the eastern coasts of India and Southeast Asia to northern Australia, making them one of the most widespread crocodilian species. Their adaptability allows them to thrive in various ecosystems, including estuaries, mangroves, rivers, and even the open sea. This broad distribution is a testament to their resilience and ability to exploit diverse habitats. They are particularly well suited to brackish environments, thanks to specialized salt glands in their tongues that excrete excess salt. This unique adaptation enables them to tolerate high salinity levels, allowing them to dominate areas where freshwater crocodiles cannot survive. While they can thrive in freshwater habitats, their preference for estuarine and coastal regions has earned them their name as saltwater crocodiles. Territorial behavior plays a significant role in their habitat use. Dominant males claim prime hunting and nesting grounds, while younger or weaker individuals are pushed to less favorable areas. These territorial disputes shape the distribution of crocodile populations and ensure that the strongest individuals maintain access to the best resources, securing their survival. So far, we've seen the saltwater crocodile's incredible hunting skills and physical dominance. But here's something truly jaw-dropping. These reptiles can survive without food for over a year by slowing their metabolism. They may appear inactive, but they're always watching, always waiting. And that's just the beginning. Keep watching to discover the fascinating quirks that make them nature's perfect ambush predators. Diet and feeding habits. Saltwater crocodiles are obligate carnivores, relying on a diet of meat to fuel their enormous size and energy needs. They are opportunistic hunters, preying on a wide range of animals, depending on what is available in their habitat. Their prey includes fish, birds, crustaceans, and larger animals such as deer, buffalo, and even sharks. Their ability to consume such a variety of prey highlights their adaptability as apex predators. Once they capture their prey, saltwater crocodiles use their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to tear it into manageable pieces. If the prey is too large to consume in one sitting, they stash it underwater, allowing it to soften and break down for easier consumption later. This macabre strategy ensures that no part of their kill goes to waste, maximizing the energy they gain from every hunt. Crocodiles have an incredible capacity for fasting. They can consume up to half their body weight in a single meal and then survive for months or even over a year without eating. During these extended periods, they slow their metabolism to conserve energy. This remarkable ability allows them to endure periods when prey is scarce, making them perfectly adapted to the unpredictable nature of their environment. Reproduction and life cycle. The breeding season for saltwater crocodiles coincides with the wet season, providing the ideal conditions for nesting and raising young. Males establish dominance through bellowing displays and aggressive territorial behavior, competing for the opportunity to mate with females. Successful males often court females with elaborate water displays, creating ripples and splashes to demonstrate their strength. Females lay 40 to 60 eggs in a carefully constructed nest made of mud and vegetation, strategically located above the waterline to protect against flooding. These nests also serve as natural incubators, with the decomposing vegetation generating heat to maintain the optimal temperature for egg development. Intriguingly, the temperature of the nest determines the sex of the hatchlings. A few degrees can mean the difference between mostly males or females. After about 90 days, the eggs hatch, and the female responds to the chirping calls of her young. She carefully digs them out of the nest and carries them in her powerful yet gentle jaws to the water. While the mother provides initial protection, only a small fraction of the hatchlings survive to adulthood, as predators such as birds and fish pose significant threats to these vulnerable young crocodiles. Evolutionary history. Saltwater crocodiles are among the oldest surviving species on Earth, with a lineage dating back over 100 million years. They have remained relatively unchanged since the time of the dinosaurs, earning them the nickname living fossils. Their longevity as a species is a testament to their remarkable adaptability and evolutionary design. One key adaptation that sets saltwater crocodiles apart from their prehistoric ancestors is the development of specialized salt glands. These glands, located in their tongues, allow them to regulate their internal salt levels and survive in both brackish and marine environments. This evolutionary advancement enabled them to expand their range and outcompete other crocodilian species. Fossil evidence reveals that ancient relatives of the saltwater crocodile, such as Deinosuchus, were even larger, with some individuals reaching lengths of 40 feet. Modern saltwater crocodiles, while slightly smaller, retain many of the same physical traits, including their powerful jaws, streamlined bodies, and armored skin, which have ensured their survival for millions of years. Role in the ecosystem. As apex predators, saltwater crocodiles play a critical role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. By preying on a variety of species, they help regulate populations of herbivores, preventing overgrazing and ensuring the health of aquatic and terrestrial habitats. This predator-prey relationship is essential for maintaining biodiversity in their environments. Their feeding habits also benefit scavengers, such as fish, birds, and smaller reptiles, which rely on the remains of crocodile kills. This ripple effect extends throughout the food chain, supporting a diverse range of species and contributing to the overall stability of their ecosystems. Even in death, crocodiles contribute to the nutrient cycle, as their decomposing bodies enrich the surrounding soil and water. Interestingly, crocodiles indirectly shape the landscape of their habitats. Their nesting activity aerates the soil, promoting vegetation growth, while their territorial disputes and movement patterns influence the distribution of other animals. These subtle but significant effects demonstrate their integral role in the ecosystems they dominate. Threats and conservation status. Despite their dominance in the wild, saltwater crocodiles face several threats, particularly from human activity. Habitat destruction due to logging, agricultural expansion, and coastal development has reduced their breeding and hunting grounds. This loss of habitat often forces crocodiles into closer proximity with humans, increasing the likelihood of conflict. Poaching remains a significant threat despite legal protections in many countries. Crocodiles are hunted for their skins, which are highly valued in the fashion industry, as well as for their meat and body parts used in traditional medicine. Illegal hunting has historically decimated populations, pushing them to the brink of extinction in some areas. Conservation efforts have been successful in stabilizing and even increasing saltwater crocodile populations in regions such as Australia. Strict laws and protected reserves have allowed their numbers to rebound, earning them a least concern status on the IUCN Red List. However, continued efforts are needed to address human-wildlife conflicts and ensure their long-term survival in the wild. Myths and cultural significance. Saltwater crocodiles have long been the subject of myths and legends, revered and feared by the cultures that share their habitats. In Australian Aboriginal mythology, they are considered sacred guardians of waterways, embodying both the destructive and nurturing forces of nature. Stories often depict them as symbols of strength, wisdom, and the balance of life. In Southeast Asia, saltwater crocodiles appear in folklore as cunning and fearsome creatures. Tales of man-eating crocodiles have fueled both awe and terror, solidifying their place as legendary predators in local culture. These stories have persisted for centuries, blending traditional beliefs with modern encounters. Modern media has only enhanced their reputation. Documentaries highlight their role as apex predators, while films and books often exaggerate their danger for dramatic effect. Whether as cultural icons or cinematic villains, saltwater crocodiles have captured the imagination of people worldwide, symbolizing the raw power of nature. Unique and interesting facts. Saltwater crocodiles are capable of incredible feats of survival, including holding their breath underwater for over an hour. This ability allows them to stalk prey with unparalleled stealth, remaining almost invisible beneath the surface until the perfect moment to strike. Their eyes are equipped with a special reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which enhances their vision in low light. This adaptation makes them equally effective hunters at night, a skill few predators can match. Their ability to hunt under any conditions cements their place at the top of the food chain. One surprising fact about saltwater crocodiles is their incredible homing ability. Even when relocated hundreds of miles away from their original territory, they can navigate back with astonishing accuracy. Using a combination of environmental cues, such as the Earth's magnetic fields and water salinity gradients, these crocodiles demonstrate a natural GPS-like skill that leaves researchers astounded. This ability not only showcases their adaptability, but also highlights their unparalleled mastery of their environment. The saltwater crocodile is a living testament to nature's perfect design, ancient, powerful, and supremely adaptable. From their devastating hunting strategies to their vital role in shaping ecosystems, they are truly the undisputed kings of their domain. But this journey doesn't end here. Next, we venture into the dense jungles and grasslands of India to meet the Bengal tiger, a predator of unparalleled stealth and power. How does this magnificent big cat rule its vast territory? Stay tuned.